I was a little bit on hiatus 2021 through 2022 with an injury, mostly working on just admin. When I arrived, I discovered you. You're very much immersed in the regular schedule, and then, you know, shortly after meeting you, I'm seeing you in dance battles and doing backflips in shows, doing umami and like all these different, like just involved on such a deep level. But it's like, where did you come from?
I found UMA, I had taken a dip in April of 2022.
Wow.
This 2 years at UMA has been like life-changing for me, I think, in terms of like even my relationship with my body, my relationship with Philly, and with like the whole new crowd that I've become a part of, and had so much fun with. And definitely like just the environment at UMA is so welcoming. I think the dip is like part of a whole bigger vibe at UMA. The dip and UMA Shows Up is like very much does a good job of welcoming beginners. And I'm probably in the most athletic shape of my life, body-wise. Definitely the most comfortable, most flexible, and most confident in my body from like having a lot of fun